All this information is taken from Google and we don't claim any of these. Main intention behind this video is that we care about you.
Hi Divya, what's
Hi,
up?
Vinny. What's up? I'm
How,
fine.
how was your drama tour?
Oh, it was very nice. It was
Really?
fantastic. We had a lot of fun.
Nice.
बहुत मजा आया. So what's up with you?
पूछो मत यार. This presentation, I have been working on this presentation forever and कल सुबह 10 बजे मेरा meeting है.
बहुत लो चल रहा है लाइफ में. Vinny, don't you think you have been yawning for a long time, like continuously?
Really? मेरा तो खुद पे ध्यान ही नहीं है यार.
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं जब से तुमको देख रही हूँ, you are continuously yawning.
अच्छा?
So मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा था,
Hmm.
like there are 4 reasons of yawning. Like या तो तुम सही से सोए नहीं हो,
Okay.
जो दिख रहा है तुम्हारी आंखों से, और you are under stress because you have this meeting tomorrow. And अगर ये continuously हो रहा है, so your heart is giving you a signal, like you might get a heart attack.
What?
Yes, it's that serious.
Oh.
And तुम ये सब दवा ले रही हो क्या, पैरासीटामोल, हेडेक वगैरह के लिए?
क्यों, वो भी एक reason है?
हाँ, like ये सब की वजह से होता है. So you should
Oh
really
God.
take care of yourself. And what the best you can do right now is stop your work and take a rest for 2-3 hours at least.
मेरा ये presentation है यार. I can't take rest.
I know, but your health come first, Vinny. You should take it seriously.
कल सुबह meeting है यार मेरी. खत्म करना पड़ता.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये सब नहीं चलेगा तुम्हारा. Stop.
अरे
doing your
अरे
work.
मेरा
No, 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 no,
presentation
no.
है.
It's not allowed. We'll take a sweet nap. और अगर शाम तक ये ठीक नहीं होता है, so we'll see a doctor. Okay? और कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा तुम्हारा. And it's contagious also.
So if you find someone who is excessively yawning, please take the person to the doctor as it may be indicating about his or her health. Fun fact is that many of you must be yawning right now. As they say, even if you talk about yawning, you may start yawning. Last but not the least, this was a very short video about this disease. Maybe it is not that serious as many other diseases what human is fighting for, but maintaining our health is the biggest gift what we can give to our body. And it's our body, right? So don't take it lightly. And if you yawn next time, please analyze yourself.